तुम मेरे कमरे में ये टैडी लेने तो नहीं आए थे? तो वजह?
मैं तुम्हें बताने आई थी कि मैं जा रही हूँ।
रुक जाओ ना साहिबा, प्लीज। अरे तुम्हारे होने वाले पति के पास आज इतना आलीशान बंगला ऐसे छोड़कर तुम्हें गुरुद्वारे के उस छोटे से कमरे में क्यों रहना है?
In a whirlwind of affairs, Sahiba is questioned by Daljit that he knows for sure that she has not just come to his room to put a teddy, but Sahiba is adamant to go and not stay there. And while she leaves, Angad and Gary, who are waiting for her, meet her and she hands over Akir's toothbrush and hairbrushes of Daljit as well, which now, according to the plan, things are moving. But Gary now coaxes them to come together and fight the battle together for getting Akir back. But even now, after years of staying miles apart, they are both stubborn in their own ways, but somehow the care for each other is definitely visible. They have to now prove that Akir is the son of Angad, and a DNA test using the hair samples seemed the only way out. While Sahiba regrets entering Daljit as the father's name in the birth certificate, which had been empty for years, Angad is taken aback. But now Angad gears for another game with Daljit, and even as he removes all bullets from the pistol, he puts one inside which he says is a false bullet which will only make a noise, and says now he will go to Daljit again, even as Sahiba looks at him with pleading eyes not to start all this again. But who will stop Angad Singh Brar now? And what if the bullet is actually real? Will Angad become victim, or will Sahiba have to sacrifice herself for the love of Akir and Angad?
ये नकली गोली मुझे उस आदमी ने दी थी जिससे मैंने ये गन ली है। इसे चलाने से सिर्फ आवाज होगी, किसी को कुछ नुकसान नहीं पहुंचेगा। मैं इसे रिवॉल्वर में डाल रहा हूं। मैं दिलजीत के साथ एक गेम खेलूंगा।